Hello students, today we are going to do exercise 5.1 from the chapter Continuity and Differentiability. First question, prove that the function f of x is equal to 5x minus 3 is continuous at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to minus 3 and at x is equal to 5. Now, when will you say a function is continuous at a point? A function is continuous at a point if the function is defined at that point and also the limit, the left limit and the right limit should be equal. That means the limit exists and the limiting value is equal to the functional value. So a function is continuous if the function is defined at a. First thing is that then the limit exists and the limit value is equal to the functional value. Then we'll say the function is continuous at that point a. So let us prove the first question. Prove that this function is continuous at x is equal to 0. So at x is equal to 0, how do you prove it is continuous? So first we have to find the functional value. Function is f of x is equal to 5x minus 3. So functional value means you have to substitute x is equal to 0. So you get 5 into 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. This function is defined as the same. This function is defined as 5x minus 3, left of 0 and right of 0, isn't it? So whether you find the left limit or right limit, you're going to use the same function. So the limit, when you substitute x is equal to 0, the limit value is, you just straight away say it's a linear equation. So just substitute x is equal to 0 here. So this is how you find the limit, 5x minus 3, that is equal to minus 3. So limit value is equal to the functional value. Therefore the function is continuous at x is equal to 0. If you use the left limit, if you find the left limit and right limit separately, the same answer we are going to get because the function is the same on the left side and on the right side of 0. See, for example, at 0 also, at 0 the function is 5x minus 3, substitute x is 0, you get minus 3. Now how do you find the left hand limit? X tends to 0 minus. 0 minus means left of 0. So 0 minus 5x minus 3. So if I want to find the left limit, I replace x by 0 minus h. So when I put 0 minus h, you get 5 into 0 minus h minus 3. So when I put h is 0, you get minus 3 as the answer. Now if I want to find the right hand limit, then I put limit x tends to 0 of f of x. That is limit x tends to 0 plus of 5x minus 3. So you have to replace x by 0 plus h. So when I put 0 plus h, it will become 5 into 0 plus h minus 3, that is equal to minus 3. So left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit. So the limit exists. If both the limits are equal, we say the limit exists. And the limit value is equal to minus 3. And the functional value is also equal to minus 3. Limit x tends to 0 of f of x is equal to f of 0. Therefore the function is continuous at x is equal to 0. You can do like this also. X is equal to minus 3. First find the functional value. Just check if the function is defined at minus 3. Yes. F into minus 3 is equal to minus 15 minus 3, that is minus 18. Now you take limit x tends to minus 3 of the function f of x. So limit x tends to minus 3, 5x minus 3. Put x is minus 3. you get minus 18. So the limit value is equal to the functional value. Therefore, the function is continuous at x is equal to minus 3. At x is equal to 5. So at x is equal to 5, again f of x is 5x minus 3. So f of 5 is 5 into 5 minus 3, that is 22. So limit x tends to 5, f of x is equal to 5 into 5 minus that is equal to 22. So the limit value is equal to the functional value. Therefore, the function is continuous at x is equal to 5. So next is the limit value is equal to this. The limit value is equal to the functional value. Therefore, the function is continuous at x is equal to 5. Question number 2. Examine the continuity of the function f of x is equal to 2x square minus 1 at x is equal to 3. Again, this is a polynomial function. So f of x is equal to 2x square minus 1. First find the functional value. Functional value means straight away substitute x is equal to 3. 2 into 3 square minus 1 is equal to 17. Now you find the limit value. Limit value is limit x tends to 3 to x square minus 1. In the place of x, put 3, 17. So the functional value is equal to the limit value. The function is continuous at x is equal to 3. First find f of 3. F of 3 is equal to 2 into 3 square minus 1, that is 17. That is a functional value. Now we have to find the left hand limit. What is the left hand limit? Limit x tends to 3 minus of f of x, that is limit x tends to 3 minus of 2x square minus 1. So that is equal to limit x h tends to, we have to change it to h now. You have to write x as the left limit, that is 3. You have to write x as 3 minus h. 3 minus h means a number very close to 3 but left of 3. So when x approaches 3, when x is approaching 3, this is your x now, x approaches 3, h will tend to 0. X becomes 3. If I put 3 here, 3 minus 3, so h tends to 0. So h tends to 0. 2 into, replace x by 3 minus h the whole square minus 1. So when I put h is 0, you get 9, 18 minus 1, 17. So right hand limit is limit x tends to 3 plus of f of x, that is limit x tends to 3 plus 2 into x square minus 1. So you have to 3 plus h, you have to write right side 3 plus h, no, when it approaches 3, h will tend to 0, isn't it? H will come to 0. So that will become 2 into 3 plus h the whole square minus 1. So that again will give you the answer 17 when you put h is equal to 0. So the left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit is equal to 17. So the limit x tends to 3 f of x is equal to f of 3, the functional value, from 1. You can write this as equation 1. So from 1. So limit value is equal to the functional value. Therefore, the function is continuous. At x is equal to 3. Method left limit, right limit we use when the functions are different on the left side and on the right side. Here it's the same. It is the same. That function is 2x square minus 1. There's only function given. F of x is equal to 2x square minus 1 is given. If the function is given separately, if the function on the left of 3 and right of 3 is given separately, then you can use this method. Otherwise, you can use this itself.